Hello, welcome to Texture Math. In this session, we will cover the further values for RTVSYSVAL command. So in order to explain the same, I am taking the program in edit mode. Here you can see that we have declared few variables. These variables you can declare by referring IBM official website. Once variable declaration is done, then you can use the command which is RTVSYSVAL and simply use RTVSYSVAL and just write RTVSYSVAL and press F4. Then this screen will open and here you are supposed to pass two parameters. First is the value which you want to retrieve from the system, and second one is the variable where you want to hold the output. Now if you want to know more about this field, then you can press F1 here, and once you press F1 it will open this help screen, or you can say help window. So why we use this screen? Basically it will give the description of the values of the values that we can retrieve from the system. So in short, you can say that it will provide the description for all the uh, possible values that we can retrieve from the RTVSYSVAL command. Okay, so now once you got the information from this screen, then you can simply use it inside your program. So these are the values that we have already covered in our previous session. So I am directly taking you to the recent value that today we are going to discuss about. So I'm taking it to that particular value. Yes, so today we are going to discuss about this field, which is QPWRRSTIPL, which stands for Automatic Initial Program Load IPL after power restored allowed. Changes made to the system value take effect next time there is a power failure. So what are the possible outcome? Possible outcome are 0 means no auto IPL after power restored, 1 means auto IPL power after power restored. Okay. Now the second field we are going to discuss is QQRYDEGREE, which means query parallel processing degree. The value specifies the parallel processing degree available to users of the system. Possible outcome: star none means no parallel processing is allowed for database query processing or database file. Star IO means any number of tasks can be used when the data query optimizer chooses to use IPL parallel processing for queries. Star optimize means the query optimizer can choose to use any number of tasks for either input output or SMP parallel processing to process the query or database file, keyed access path, build or rebuild. Another possible value is star max, means the query optimizer can choose to use either input output or SMB parallel processing to process a query. So these are the possible outcome. You can go through the entire description as well, like as per your requirement, and then you can use it. Now the next value that we are going to discuss today is QQRYTIMLMT, which means query processing time limit. First output is star no max, means the maximum query interval is used. Other one is the range. So if it means this range means the number of seconds allow for query processing. So this is how we can utilize means we can get the description of all the possible values. Now simply copy it here along with the variable where you want to hold it. Likewise, I'm doing it for the other two values, and once these line got executed, we will retrieve the value inside variables, and then we are simply printing it. So for printing it, we are using snd-pgm-msg command, and then we are simply passing it inside that. Okay, so let's see what is the output we are getting right now. So I'm compiling it. It is compiled successfully. Now I'm calling it. First output is 0. Second is star optimize. Third is star no max. Okay, so this is how we can utilize RTVSYSVAL command for retrieving the system value. I hope this session is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Texture Math.